Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to make money through self-publishing on Amazon. In this video, we will guide you through the entire process from start to finish. Step 1. Identify your niche. Research popular genres on Amazon and find a topic that interests you and has a market demand. Consider writing in areas you're passionate about. Step 2. Write your book. Set a writing schedule and stick to it. Aim for a clear structure with a beginning, middle, and end. Don't forget to edit and proofread your work thoroughly. Step 3. Create a captivating book cover. First impressions matter, and a professional cover can help attract readers. Use tools like Canva or hire a designer to create a visually appealing cover. Step 4. Format your manuscript. Proper formatting is crucial for a good reader experience. Use tools like Kindle Create or Scrivener to ensure your book looks great on all devices. Step 5. Set up your Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing account. Go to the KDP website and register for an account. It's free and allows you to publish both ebooks and paperbacks. Step 6. Upload your manuscript and cover. Follow the instructions to upload your formatted file and cover image. Ensure all details are accurate before moving to the next step. Step 7. Set your pricing. Research similar books to determine a competitive price. Consider using KDP Select to maximize your book's visibility and promotional options. Step 8. Launch your book. Once everything is uploaded, hit publish. Your book could be available on Amazon within 72 hours. Promote your launch on social media and to your email list. Step 9. Market your book. Invest time in marketing strategies, such as social media ads, book promotions, or joining author groups. The more visible your book, the better your sales will be. Step 10. Gather reviews. Encourage readers to leave reviews, as they greatly influence purchasing decisions. Consider sending out advance reader copies to interested reviewers. Step 11. Monitor your sales and adjust strategies. Check your KDP dashboard to track your sales. Be willing to adjust your marketing efforts based on what works best. Step 12. Write your next book. Keep the momentum going by starting your next writing project. Building an author catalog can lead to increased visibility and sales over time. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Start your self-publishing journey today and unlock the opportunity to earn money from your writing on Amazon.